Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be talking about the Jackson Laboratory online mini certificate courses and also on various things like in-person courses, mini courses, virtual event, and the bioinformatics training program, and also on various things briefly. And so please do watch this video from start to end to not miss any information. And all the things I have mentioned and the course list you will find in the description box below. So please do watch this video from start to end. Before starting the video, I just want to say, if you fall before starting this video, I want to say, if you fall in this category, then please do subscribe to our channel, link in description, so you will never miss any update on various opportunity. And also I do recommend you to follow us on various social media pages, so you will get daily updates on various opportunity. And also do check out other video on this very new channel. So let's get started. Jackson Laboratory is one of the leading institute in the field of transgenic mice development and various molecular gene editing technology and various things. They do also offers various online courses and real online courses learning path. They do also offers online courses learning path and various things for the student, teachers, researcher, pre-doc and postdoc student also. And they also offer corporate PhD training, postdoctoral training, and post-bac training at Jackson Laboratory. And also they offers various services, so please do check out their website also. Now talking about the Jackson Laboratory free courses. For this free courses, please click on the link provided in the description box. As you can see here, they are currently providing more than 50 plus free courses on various topic like genotyping, and also various kind of identification or genotyping method for the various kind of syndrome, cancer biology. As you can see here, the course are free, and also you can see most of the courses are self-placed free, and also you will earn some credit, CME credits and other kinds of credits by completing this course. And currently they have started three certificated programs, like one is a beginner guide for inbreed, outbreed, hybrid mutants and transgenic mice certificate programs. And second is on introduction to laboratory mice, and also third is on introduction to CRISPR-Cas9 and Kralox or gene editing technology. So this is a very good courses which I have previously from last year I have enrolled for various courses, and I'm learning from many things from that, because these courses not just include video courses and slide and various things, but they also add additional resources website which will be helpful for you to design your experiment, and also to find the right experimental design and right system model organism and things for your experiment. So I do recommend to join these specific courses as you required, and do also let other know about these courses. To register for this course, you have to create a learner account. To know more about the learner, how to create a learner account for Canva learning platforms, please check out this video on my YouTube channel. Once you have created that account, then please do log into your account. Once you have signed into your account, you can see here your name. To enroll for a specific course or program, please click on that specific course. Then it will transition you to course enrollment web page. You can see here the name of course, about the course, and the following topics which will be covered in the course, and learning outcomes, and target audience, and other necessary information, and also hardware software requirement for this course. To enroll for this course, please click here. Then it will transition you to Canva catalog enrollment web page. Here you have to click on enroll now. To access this course, please click on to go your dashboard, or if you want to enroll for other courses, please click on return to the catalog. Once you have clicked to go to the dashboard, you can see here the course you have enrolled and in progress, and the course you have completed and not completed. Once you have completed a specific course from a specific program, you will see a green tick mark here, and also you can you can as and also you can see your progress here in this progress bar. And to get started with a specific course, please click on that specific course. It will transition you to the course web page. As you can see here, you have to click here get started, and then you have to complete a basic pre-assessment survey. Then you have to start with the course by clicking on to you can then you can access a specific modular course by clicking on the specific modules. Once you have completed an items of and modules of course, you will see a green tick mark. Remember one thing: to access the most of the presentation and also some other animation uh, content in this course, you must enable your Adobe Flash Player. As you can see here, to the about the course and the course learning outcomes, and once you have clicked to the specific modules, you can see here about the course and which contains a brief video about and some articles and some basic articles and resources and various things. To download the certificate, please go to the learning dashboard and click on view certificate or download certificate. And here you can see your name, the date of completion, and you can share this certificate on various social media platform, and also you can add this certificate at your LinkedIn certification and courses section. To download your learning transcript, please go to the dashboard and click on PDF transcript, and here you will see the course, the number of courses you have enrolled, the number of courses completed, in progress, non completed, credit earns and credit availability, and the enroll date and name of course and program. And now coming to the Jackson Laboratory website, I do recommend one of everyone to check out this section carefully to know more about the in-person, online mini courses, virtual courses, and bioinformatical training program, and also various scholarship and fellowship programs at Jackson Laboratory and their collaboration at their collaborative institute, and also do check their event list, which is so as you can see here, the various upcoming virtual events and virtual courses which you can attend. So please do check out this list, and also do check their upcoming and ongoing virtual courses and list, and the summer student programs list, and the various eligibility and the location, and also corporate PhD training programs, and also postdoc and bioinformatical training programs. Please make sure to check their website monthly and or weekly to know more about the upcoming opportunity. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please coming back to our channel so you will get up-to-date information on various opportunity, and do make sure to subscribe our channel and make sure that you have enabled all notifications so you will get up-to-date information on various opportunity. And also do follow us on various social media platform. You can find the link in description box and also comment box.